Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and in this video we are going to take a look at how to install the Orangefox Recovery on your Nothing Phone 1. So without wasting any more time, let's take a quick look at it. Now guys, in order to install Orangefox Recovery, you need to turn off your device. Also make sure your device has an unlocked bootloader and already has a custom recovery like LineageOS. Obviously, in order to flash the zip, you will need to use ADB sideload. So let's boot your device into the custom recovery. You can also do it by flashing the LineageOS recovery if you do not have any custom recovery, and if you're planning to flash custom ROMs. I'll make a dedicated video on how to flash custom ROMs using Orangefox Recovery. Right now we will only focus on installing the Orangefox Recovery. So if you haven't installed any custom ROM before, if you haven't installed any custom recovery before like LineageOS or other recoveries which comes with the custom ROMs, which is obviously based on LineageOS or AOSP recovery, then you will need to install them first. Now first of all, we are going to boot directly into the recovery mode, which is using the the volume up and power key. And once you feel a vibration, just keep your device aside. And I have LineageOS installed right now. If you haven't watched the LineageOS video, you can check it out in the I button. It's the official LineageOS 23.2 and have the LineageOS recovery installed. As you can see, this is the LineageOS recovery. This is how any of your custom ROMs recovery UI might feel like. Now in here, you have to go into apply update and apply from ADB. Just keep your device aside. Now you will need a PC or laptop to sideload the recovery into your phone through ADB. So I'm attaching my phone to the computer. I hope it's properly visible. Now let's move to the computer screen. Yeah, just give me a minute. Okay, so here we are using command prompt and I'm already in the platform tools folder. Now as you can see, I have ADB connected to my phone. You can see on the phone screen. Now here we need to just give this command ADB sideload Orangefox space var.zip and just enter this command. This is going to serve the Orangefox recovery zip. As you can see on your phone, this is the official LineageOS recovery, so it is verifying the signature, so install anyway. And as you can see, Orangefox recovery installation is being processed here onto the phone, so it will take a bit of a time. And the device auto rebooted after the installation was finished, and it had a message that the device will reboot in 5 seconds. So let's see if Orangefox is properly installed on the Nothing Phone 1. And here you go, it has already been booted into the Orangefox recovery, and that was it. This was a short tutorial on how to install Orangefox recovery on your Nothing Phone 1. And in the next the preceding option, I'm going to show you how to also install custom ROMs using the Orangefox recovery. Let's just skip this part and I will explain a few features of the Orangefox recovery to you guys. Also guys, you need to enter the screen lock or pattern whatever you have set, because the data is encrypted and you can easily unlock the data. So this is how the UI looks. This is the main folder. This is the backup. You can take backups from here. This is the option to wipe your things. You can see Dalvik, metadata, data, internal storage, USB storage. And here we have some more options like mounting, manage partitions, Magisk Manager, ADB sideload, Fox additions, reboot, and all this stuff. As you can see, here we go into settings. We have some options here, some general settings which we also see in the TWRP. You can see performance to balance or all that. Fast charge, if you have fast charging, you can also fast charge in the recovery. Customization, we have some themes here. You can see you can also change the accent. You can apply. It will apply that AMOLED kind of screen. Getting down here, we have a navigation bar, gesture navigation. You can also check that out. Navigation bar customization, status bar. So yeah, like this is some kind of custom nice recovery. Also change the splash screen of Orangefox, keyboard, fonts. You can change a lot more options here. We have a lot of fonts here: Google Sans, Euclid Flex. Yeah, you can change that. We have others, and yeah, this is the customize. This is the security tab. Run ADB on startup. Pin code, gesture you can apply. You have display options. You can also uh, increase or decrease the brightness, so you have good visuals. Vibration, you can change the vibration pattern. Backup, regional, you can change the region, date and time, all. And this is the about phone. So this is the front end developer, the main guy of Orangefox, and you can see we have all other guys. So this is the overall Orangefox recovery. And the thing is, we have a custom recovery now. Other than we can, we have to always use the custom recoveries from Lineage OS or any other ROMs, but you can use this one and you can easily flash Magisk or any other custom ROMs or other mods which are flashable zips without using a PC. So this is the benefit of using a custom recovery like TWRP or Orangefox. And that was it. I hope this video will help you in installing custom ROMs without PC. I'm going to make a dedicated video, so stay tuned for that. And that's it. I hope you guys like the video. Press the like button. If not, the dislike button. Subscribe to the channel for more such videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, you can provide your feedback. And yep, that's it. Take care, guys. See you. Bye bye.